Hey, my little angels, come on in, come in. We're going to do an unboxing. Come in, come in. We're going to work around the table today, so everybody grab a seat. Shorter ones at the front. That's it, that's it. Come on in. Okay. And behind you, I have a whole tea set up. We have an orange pico, just regular. And we also have my sweet orange tea that I love so much. And I have sweetener, I have honey, I have agave for those that need it. And there's milk, cream, non-dairy milk, and lemon. Help yourselves, guys. And over here at the chilled beverage station, we have some juices. So I have cranberry, tomato, orange, and a grapefruit. And you know what, guys? Mix them. They're great mixed. I love cranberry and orange, or grapefruit and cranberry. Love those combinations. Okay. Hello. I see we have some new people. Come in. Be comfortable. Grab a seat. There's meditation cushions over there if you'd prefer them. Okay, great. Thank you so much for joining us. Please give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Sharing is caring. Comments are amazing, but if you're a silent watcher, that's okay. I'm just glad you're here. But if you're comfortable commenting, please do. I love watching you guys interact with each other. I love interacting with you. I love knowing what you think and what you feel, and your video ideas and suggestions. They make me happy. And I love replying to you too. And please hit that subscribe button below. And hello to my returning little angels. Thank you so much for being here, guys. You warm my heart. I know you're a silent watcher. I'm just glad you're here. But if you're comfortable commenting, keep them coming, guys. Because you know, when we interact with each other, we connect. And when we connect like that, we take this great big world and make it smaller. And isn't that a good thing? So I have something to show you. I have another package from Gigi Co. I feel bad that I didn't show you the second one that I got. This is my third. I really love Gigi Co. Because I was so excited to open it. But I wanted to show it to you. I also want to show you my new ring. I've had this on order for a long time. The person was very quick in getting it out, but the post office lost it, I think, during that flood. Anyway, she had to remake it, but it's mine, Baby Angel, and Uncle Angel's birthstones. And I love that it's so tiny. Oh, I just love it. Anyways, Gigi Co. And first of all, look how beautifully this is packaged. Now, I did see it packaged on Instagram, but Gigi Co., the fragile, all over the place. She put a little blue wildflower. I love blue. Packaged on Instagram. Super cute stuff inside. I love that. And let's get this open, shall we? I remembered my scissors. So, now I did see this package, and I gotta tell you guys, they package with so much care and love and pride. It's become one of my favorite videos to watch, and if you guys haven't started watching them, you should. They're shorts, so, but it's got all the tingles, it's got all the care, and you know how much I love watching wrapping videos and things. But it really, watching these, I really pay attention to how people wrap things when they send it to me from Etsy or other companies that shall remain nameless. But don't put as much care. Okay, I think I got it. Probably not. Alright. Pretty sure it opens just like this. Oh, Candy and Bella are both here, so that's a good thing. Hopefully. Although I think Candy gave the poor postal carrier a heart attack. came up the door and she went ballistic. And Candy has a habit, like she's such a sweetie pie, but she has a habit of throwing herself at the door, like, so people aren't always ready for that. And I know she's smiling, but when all they see is teeth, they don't know that. Okay guys, I think I got it. We're gonna get this, guys. But this is how well it's packaged, because you gotta remember this is coming from the UK to me. Which, I love that too. I talk about making this world smaller, you know? Okay, got it. Got it. I think I got it. Okay. Maybe not, but we're gonna try it this way. I have to cut it anyways. Tomorrow's recycling, so I have to cut the box down anyways. So we're getting it open here. There we go. Okay, so I got it. I'm just gonna point the camera down a bit, just so you guys can see it a bit better, and I'll move it. That's better. Okay, so our English hair bow, yes, which I love. And you know how to tell they're fresh, right? This is a great trick for Halloween. See this, if there's air, you know they're fresh. And my thank you, dear Kim. I love that. And she puts the little hearts. It's so nice. And there's the Gigi Co, all of her socials. And this one is, probably should have worn my glasses, but I'm gonna keep this one for later and let you guys know what that is later. I love that it's different too. Okay, so I've got 2 sheets today. This one is, that's right, because I made 2 orders, and then I got in touch with her and said, could you please put them together, just to save shipping costs, and she was more than accommodating, absolutely more than accommodating. So I love the hummingbird paper. There it is. There's the Gigi Co wax stamp. And guys, when you watch somebody do this and they go to this much trouble, you know there's care involved. Stamp the box, Gigi Co. So I'm just gonna peel that right off so you guys can see it. And there we go. And I love this one because it's the marbled look. So let's get this open, shall we? Oh, more sticker. I love the stickers. Made with love, always my favorite. Aw. Oh, this is Baby Angel. Baby Angel's gonna steal this. You're terrific. She loves her tea. Okay. Oh, we have packing peanuts, which I love these guys. Oh, another sticker. Darling, you are fabulous. I will keep that because I am fabulous. Okay, so, oh, here's our, oopsie, sorry about that. Our daisy coaster. I love these coasters. I think I have 3 now. This one may become a trigger board. Might become a trigger board. I'm wanting this one. I want a planner. And there's a weekly planner. And I'm just waiting for those hydration stickers I told you guys about. So let's look at this together. There's the Gigi Co. Oh, it's, okay, I didn't realize that. Even better. It's a vinyl cover. So I love that. This is going to be perfect. Absolutely perfect. I can write in the things I want to do. the things I'm grateful for. I can put my hydration stickers, my wellness journal. That's what this is for. This is going to be my wellness journal, guys. So I'm happy for that one. And then this one. I know what this is, and I'm so excited because I have the Libby glass of this, and now I have the mug. And I love this corrugated paper, and to see them stretch it, it's so cool. But guys, this comes through the mail from the UK, and everything's in perfect condition. And look, same wrapping paper. That attention to detail, I'm right up there with it, okay? And just in case anyone's wondering, this is not sponsored. I paid for this stuff, okay? I just happen to really like this company a lot. And they're part of our ASMR community. It's an affirmation mug, but it's, you know, my kind of mug. And Kay gave me, from ASMR for Everyone, gave me the Libby mug, Libby cup that's just like this. Celebrate every damn win. I'm strong AF. Manifest that shit. Follow your soul. That bitch knows the way. These are my kind of things, you know. I am strong as hell. Be kind to your own damn mind. You got that bad bitch energy? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Although that is one of the words that I never use. There's a reason for it. But I love this mug, and I'm keeping it, and I'm keeping my Libby glass too. Because I know how people use that word, okay? I understand about taking back the word. But I remember once my little brother called me that. And I lost my mind. I said, first of all, I am a woman. Second of all, I am not an animal. When someone calls you that, they're telling you you're a female dog. You are less than human. No. No, 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 no. So it's a word I try not to use, but it has come out of my mouth a couple of times. Mostly when I used to be driving. But that's just a me thing. But I love this. I absolutely love this. I am loved. I am worthy of good shit. Yes, I am. So this I love. I love this mug, you guys. I'm so happy. And then I've got one more thing in here. Now, this was my mistake. I ordered the wrong size. I ordered it. I don't know how I did it, but I did. It was my mistake, and I didn't notice it. I don't care, because sometimes I just want a big t-shirt, you know? So this is my Iced Coffee Club t-shirt. What? Oh my gosh, you guys. Some things happen for a reason. Some things happen. Iced Coffee Club, established 2006. Baby Angel was born in 2006. I didn't know it said that. I love that. So yes, this will be my comfy t-shirt. I absolutely am so happy with it. It's just beautiful. Just go, and she makes these herself, guys. See? Gigi Co. She makes everything. Like this mug, she got the stencil, she put it on. She does amazing videos showing how this is done too. So that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing with me. I'm going to fix this now because I enjoyed sharing this with you. I love sharing stuff with you guys. Yeah, I'm so happy. So guys, that's it. You're getting a twofer today. I'm going to do 2 videos now. I hadn't planned on doing this one, but it came to the door. So I'm like, oh, I got to open this on camera. So my loves, I hope you're having a wonderful day. I am now. And remember that I love you. I value you. I honor you. And I'm so very, very glad that each and every one of you was born.